Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Prebell with Team William in India. Today, April 12th, 2024. Please go through the disclaimer. Okay, so let's begin with Nifty 50 setup. Nifty at an all-time high. So this is the weekly chart that I have pulled up today. So see, this is how the journey has been. There has been a very strong rally from 7,500 to 18,000. And then there was a sideways movement for time, then again a moment sideways, and now we are in a good bull run phase. Okay, trending about all the key moving averages and at a fresh all-time high. So I think now on the higher side, we are in a blue sky zone, and on the lower side, I think the previous day का low होता है, that becomes crucial to hold, क्योंकि उसके नीचे अगर बंद हुआ, then we might see some fall, and we might test the 21 DMA, which is around 2.5% from the current price. But broadly, the setup is really good and it's going well. So let's see how the things move ahead for the Nifty 50. Even the broader market has given a good support. अगर आप mid cap or small cap index को भी देखें, they are also trading near the fresh all-time high, and I think many broader market. So if it's a broad-based rally, okay, then the chances of sustainability is always high. Plus, the distribution day, which indicates the weakness in the market, वो एक टेक्निकल इंडिकेटर है, ठीक है, डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन डे जो मार्केट की वीकनेस पकड़ता है, वो अभी सिर्फ लो है, ओनली टू. So distribution days are 0.2% fall on a volume higher than previous session. So it's only two. Okay, so that is why it's very comfortable for us in the market. And I think the focus should be on the top quality stocks that are breaking out of a basis. But you should always be careful with your portfolio. Just watch out for your portfolio's price volume action, and particular stock पे अभी focus करना बहुत important रहेगा. Okay, next part, if we see some key news. So a lot of US economic data were out in the 2 days. So yesterday there was a market holiday. So on Wednesday, the core CPI came at 0.4%, was his estimate of 0.3%. उसके बाद global market धड़ाधड़ गिरा था. There was a sharp fall in the global markets. And yesterday, March PPI was at 0.2%, and 2.1% YOY versus the estimate of 0.4% QOQ and 2.1% YOY. So yesterday also, the US market had fallen, but I think there was a sharp recovery. So ECB has kept interest rate unchanged, so they are not yet any of the major banks have started the rate cut cycle. Then on the news front, Maharashtra Seamless gets an order worth rupees 674 crores from ONGC. PVR Inox launched a 14-screen megaplex at Pheonix Mall, Mumbai, Bangalore. Bank of Baroda raised lending rate by 5 bips across tenures. CAMS gets certification of authorization from RBI for online payment aggregator operator. And on Wednesday, FIIs were net buyers. Even the DIs were, but the FIIs net buying was around 27,800 crore. Global market update, the flat closing in Dow. Okay, but the S&P 500 in Nasdaq, there was a sharp rally over there, especially if you look at the Nasdaq and the tech stock Magnificent Seven. So that was superb, and that's why Nasdaq is up around 1.7%. Asian markets also trading positive. No major momentum, but yes, it's on the positive side. If you look at GIFT Nifty, it indicates a negative opening, though you might see some positive points over here. That is 22,667. But if you look at the F&O level of Nifty, जो वेंसडे का क्लोज हुआ था, वो 22,800 के अराउंड हुआ था. So broadly, it's around 120 point cut, and we might open a bit lower, but let's see how much we can recover. But the current, it's showing around 120 points of cuts. So let's see how it goes from here. But looking at the global market and the way our markets are strong, it looks like we might recover initially after opening lower or some after the opening losses. We might have some recovery. So just watch out for that. And if you look at the stock of the day, CMS Info System looks interesting. It is completing up with a handle base, and the setup is good. A good cup base formation and then a handle. And if you look at the number of fund holding, 46% increase in the last quarter. Even the fund holdings have been really good, and return on equity of 18 is also decent. The EPS strength is strong, price strength a bit poor, but it is improving. If you see from the February, it has improved, and the buyer demand is fair. So I think you need one good volume, price volume candle and cross that 415-20 वाला जो zone है यहाँ पे जो वो अटका है 415-20 वाला पिवट है 414 उसके ऊपर थोड़ा 4-5 रुपये अगर हाई वॉल्यूम पे जाता है a very strong action then this might give a good momentum. Ideal buy zone is 0 to 5% according to O'Neill methodology. So this one looks quite interesting to keep an eye on. Okay, thank you for joining the guys. That's it for today's session. See you again on Monday at 8:45 a.m.